Welcome to another showing of The Cocktail Enthusiast with myself, The Cocktail Enthusiast. And today we're looking at another staple cocktail that I have not tried personally. We're taking a look at how to make a Paloma. Now there's a ton of Paloma recipes flying around. I did my best to find the closest, or I guess most enticing looking recipe for me. So hopefully you guys enjoy. Let's go. And always keep in mind, if you like what you're about to see, click that like button, hit that subscribe button, so I can continue to give you, the viewer, that entertaining juice, that flavor, that yo! Oh yeah. I almost burped there. Hopefully that didn't go through the camera, the lapel, whatever it is. I swear to God, if it did, I'm not reshooting that part. I swear to God. Let's take a look at what you're gonna need to make this cocktail. You're gonna want Reposado Tequila of your choice. I'm going with Don Julio. Grapefruit Soda, I'll be using Fresca. Grapefruit Juice, fresh, or however you may wanna use it. I'm not picky about that kind of stuff. A grapefruit, which I'll be using for the garnish. And today's glass of choice, a highball. Now for the pour, we're gonna be building this cocktail direct to glass. You're gonna want 2 ounces of your tequila. Next, you'll follow up with 2 ounces of your grapefruit juice. After this, we're gonna get some ice in our glass. And you know how we do it on The Cocktail Enthusiast. We use that Ziploc bag, because we're making cocktails at home.
Bumbleclad!
Now that you have your ice in there, we're gonna top it off with your Fresca, or whatever grapefruit soda you're using. After this, you're gonna lightly stir to get everything mixed together. I usually do a downward motion since it's the safest bet for carbonated beverages. And for our garnish, I'm gonna keep it super simple and use a grapefruit wheel that I'm gonna tuck into the glass so that you can see it from the side. I considered using a slice or a wedge, but I wanna keep it simple today. And now, it's time for the taste rating. Now I've heard a lot about the Paloma, right? So I got some high expectations right now. I'm already programmed to thinking like this is top of the line tequila cocktail. I'm not gonna do anything with the garnish, so I'll put it on the side. Now usually you can actually make this with a jumbling all my words. You can make this with a salt rim, but I feel like right now that's too extra. I just wanna taste the cocktail. I don't need salt. Cause I ain't no bitch. No, seriously though, like I just would rather not have a salt rim right now. So let's give this a taste and see what we have. Fuck. Jesus, sorry. That was good. This is good. Wow.
Oh my God! It's all coming together.
Listen, this is good. I don't even think I made the best version of this cocktail, and I can already tell that this isn't even the surface of what a Paloma can taste like. This is really tasty. I like this cocktail a lot. I really do. I won't even take it. Take it. Don't take my word for it. There you go. Don't take my word for it. Try it, man. That is a good ass cocktail. Apparently it's one of the most popular cocktails in Mexico. I could be wrong. The ones I've seen as well also have more of a pink hue than this, but it's possibly because of the grapefruit juice or soda that they're using, who knows? But this is tasty as hell. God damn. You can expect my next video next week on time. Back to back, I've given you guys videos on schedule, so I'm highly confident I'll be able to deliver next week. Until then, you can sink your teeth into this cocktail. Let me know if you like it, let me know if you don't, because as always, I can take both ends of the spectrum. And always remember, I'm not a bartender or a specialist. I'm just a cocktail enthusiast making some good ass cocktails and having a good ass time. I'll see you guys next week for that next cocktail. Trust me, man, if you haven't had a Paloma, try this cocktail. It's really good. I'm not even talking shit. This is it. This is the one. This is the one so far. last season, I think I had like a handful of like personal favorites. Impeached being one, Caipirinha being one, and a few others. It's eluding me right now. But so far for season 2, the Paloma is the one. So I'm excited to see what I whip up next. But I'll see you guys for that cocktail. Until then, yeah, I have nothing. I'm gonna finish this cocktail. See you guys later.